The 19th question says ABCD is a parallelogram in which P is the midpoint of DC and Q is the point on AC such that CQ is 1/4 of AC, and if PQ is produced meets BC at R, prove that R is the midpoint of BC. All we need to do is a little construction by joining BD. Now we know ABCD is a parallelogram and therefore the diagonals bisect each other, that is OA equals OC and OA is also equal to half of AC. Here in triangle COD we have P and Q as midpoints. Therefore by the midpoint theorem we have PQ is parallel to OD and PQ is also half of OD. And similarly in BCD triangle we have P is midpoint of DC and therefore PQ is parallel to OD, therefore PR is also parallel to BD. That is how we can conclude. Now P is therefore now R will also be midpoint of BC, and therefore we arrive at this conclusion that this PR is parallel to BD and R is midpoint of BC. No, before arriving at Q is midpoint of OC, we are supposed to this is the first step wherein we have, it has been given that CQ is 1/4 of AC, CQ is 1/4 of AC and OC is half of AC. Now we have to equate these two things. For that we need to divide both sides by half this equation, then it will be half OC and half into half is 1/4 of AC. Therefore when things which are equal to, Euclid's first axiom states that things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore half OC is equal to CQ. Therefore we have come to the conclusion that Q is the midpoint of OC, which is to be used in this statement, and then comes this whole thing, and R is the midpoint of BC. Hence proved.